everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this daisy stitch keychain cord. Now before we get started, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a crochet tutorial. Now for this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 4.5 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn, and I will be using 2 strands of yarn and I will be crocheting them together to get the thickness of this cord. So let's get started. Like we spoke earlier, I'm going to work with 2 yarn. So we begin with a slip knot. And for this project, you need to work a chain of multiple of 2. So that can be any number, that depends on the length of the cord that you need. I'm going to work chain 12 and then add 5. So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've completed my chain 12 and now I'm going to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after you complete working your chain, you need to yarn over. Insert your hook in the second chain from your hook. So you don't count the one that's on your hook. So this is 1 and this is 2. So right into this stitch, you insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Keep your work loose. Now again, you insert your hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. Again, next stitch, pull up a loop and next stitch, pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on your hook. You need to yarn over and pull through all these loops. And you chain 1 to complete your stitch. Now for the next stitch, you need to insert your hook in this stitch right here and pull up a loop. Now the next stitch will be right here, right into this stitch that you have in this cluster, the last one right here. Insert your hook and pull up a loop. Now you need to go into this stitch, one, 2, 3, 4 loops. Now you go into the next stitch and the next stitch. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops. Yarn over, pull through all the loops and chain 1. Now again, you need to repeat this pattern. So you insert your hook into this stitch, that's right here, pull up a loop. Now next you go into this stitch, that's the last of this cluster, right into this one. Now into the stitch that's right here, this stitch. 1 2 3 4. You go in the next stitch and the next stitch. You have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yarn over, pull through all your loops and chain 1. We're going to work this one more time and then you can continue working the rest of this row. So you have your first loop right here. This is the second. This is the third. That's fourth. And your fifth loop. Now if you count them, you need to have 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Yarn over, pull through and chain 1. Continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to chain 1, turn your work. Now you work 1 single crochet right into this stitch, that's right here. And now in the next stitch, that's right here, you need to find these stitches, all your chain 1 stitches of your star stitch. 1 2 3 4, all these. Now right into those stitches you need to work 2 single crochets. So I have the first one right here. This is my chain 1 stitch right here. So 2 single crochets right into that, 1 and 2. Now the next chain 1 stitch, that's right here. 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Now I have the next one right here. 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. The next one, first single crochet, this is the second one. This is the next one here. 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and I have the last one right here. 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. And now you need to join your row, join this row right here to this stitch. You work a slip stitch to join your row, and now you chain 1, and now you need to cut your yarn. After you cut your yarn, you need to work in your ends, and now you're going to work the fringe. So for that I have cut some yarn strands. You need to hold them like this, and with your hook you need to put your hook right here into this stitch, and then go through the yarn strands, hold them tight and pull them through the stitch like this. Pull up a loop, remove your hook, and now what you need to do is you need to get all these strands through this loop right here. So you go in and pull the strands in. Now once you have all your strands, you need to pull them like this. Now to make these yarn strands a little thin, I use a tiny comb, and you just need to keep pulling them with your comb like this. You need to keep doing this till your yarn strands separate from each other. Once you've separated your yarn, it will look like this, and now you just need to cut it to get it in a level. Now you need to attach your key right here. I have this small loop which I can attach right here. Now if you do not have this, you just need to put your ring, the ring of your keychain, right through this. Like this. We've completed working the daisy stitch keychain cord. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.